How to delete camera app on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions switch. Then, go to Allowed Apps and Features. Over here, turn off the apps which you want to remove. For example, Camera. Turning off an app or feature will remove it from the home screen, but will not delete it. Now, go back to your home screen. As you can see, the Camera app will no longer be displayed over here. Following these steps, you can easily delete Camera app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.